Hey friends, what is up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. It is Monday about 6 o'clock. Today's just been a pretty regular work day. Not too much of anything happened. I am making some breakfast right now. Did I just say breakfast? I'm making some dinner right now. We're having some chicken teriyaki and rice. I do have to make a quick store run, of course. Like, what is a day in my life without a store run? So we're gonna go get a couple things from the store while my husband watches dinner. I'm wearing my new Air Maxes that I got from Plato's Closet in my last video. They are a half size smaller than the ones that I have, so I'm just testing out the comfort to see how they feel. If I plan on wearing these in New York, they have to be comfortable, so we're gonna see how they are during my store run. Chefing it up a little bit.
Chefing it up.
So we have this tree in our yard that fell onto our neighbor's fence. And my husband and my brother-in-law are trying to pull it back over. Kind of nervous. Okay guys, update on the tree. It would not budge. Trees are heavy apparently. So we are having a professional come out to cut it down. So hopefully it doesn't cause much more damage between now and then. We'll keep you posted. Yes, this is just the reality of how I look right now. Today's Wednesday and it is a late start day for me at work. So I got a workout in, I took a shower, and for whatever reason, like I cannot cool off. I've got my coffee, got my water, and get myself ready for the day. So I'll come back when I'm a little more presentable. Okay, so yeah, ready for the day. I'm just making a little bit of breakfast right now, catching up on some YouTube. And then it is now 10:30, so I'm gonna be logging into work in 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna enjoy my breakfast, enjoy my coffee. Hey friends, quick check-in. It is about 12:25. I just took the boys outside for a little sunshine break. I have a meeting right now at 12:30, so I'm about to get logged in for that. Since checking in, it is about to be 2 o'clock. I have a meeting right now. I've had a lot of meetings today. It is a very busy day. I just made myself a smoothie, so I'm about to enjoy this and hop into this meeting. We got some packages. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I ordered these LED strip lights for my kitchen. So I don't know if you guys have noticed, but in recent videos when I'm recording my kitchen, like cooking or making a smoothie, like it's really dark. So I wanted to get something to brighten it up. Of course, I've seen these all over TikTok. So we can put these up tonight. I'm curious to see what it does. I also got a pack of nail design brushes. You guys know I've been doing my own nails for a while, but this is my first time getting brushes like this. I don't know what took me so long. This was like $4. But this is the pack that I got. So they're dual-ended brushes. And basically, yeah, this is gonna make it easier when I'm doing any sort of French tips or just cleaning up the nail. Definitely needed these. I'm excited because as you saw, we're doing our nails this week. I'm gonna make a separate video on that, but I'm really excited. I'm official. Got my brushes. My husband ordered this red paint You guys saw in our last vlog, he found some sneakers and he restores them. So I think that's what this is. And last thing, it looks like, yeah, I think this is more Nespresso pods. Yes, more Nespresso. So I get a 3-pack from Amazon, and I always get the Chiaro, the double espresso shots. So I got 3 of these. This usually lasts us for like a couple weeks. I restock before I run out, because running out means that I have to go and buy like cold brew or something, and it's just not. It is a little after 4 o'clock. Since I have my late day, I am taking a super late lunch, and I'm on my lunch break now, so I kind of want to see if we can get those lights put up on my lunch break. So let's go give it a try. Here's a look at the kitchen. I'm honestly, like, we have this side too, but I'm honestly really just focused on this side because this is where I tend to record the most. You can tell it's pretty dark. We do have this window, but I don't always like to have it open just because it is pretty warm. It does lighten it up a bit, but not as much as I want. So I'm gonna focus first on getting this cleaned, wipe everything down, and then we'll go in with the lights. Okay, but first we need to put on some music to our Sonos. Let's do some Becky G. Okay, so let's see. I hope these are pretty easy. I normally leave this sort of stuff to my husband, but I'm like, how hard can it be? Comes with a remote. Okay, we got 2 strips. My guess is this plugs into something, obvi, and then this plugs into this. And these to that. Okay, so you wouldn't even need the instructions, but my cute. Okay, and then there's like a little double-sided sticky thing. Okay, seems easy enough. Let's see what we can do. In TikToks, I see them cut them, but I'm like, how can you cut them? Oh, it literally has a little scissor. Okay then. Oh my gosh, we have some light. Something flashed. Okay, so why are only these ones working? Is it because I cut them? Was I not supposed to cut them? What the hell? Great. So apparently you can cut and reconnect them, but I don't know how to reconnect them. This is why I let my husband take over. Well, at least we tried. All right, it is about 4:40-ish. I took off my makeup because our little attempt at doing those lights, I just got sweaty and I felt gross. So I took all my makeup off and I feel so much better. My gosh. I just ordered some Chick-fil-A on DoorDash. So I'm gonna have a little bit of chicken, watch a little bit of YouTube, and then get logged in for work. I do have a lot of work to do this evening, so it's gonna be a pretty busy one. But yeah, I mean, I'm not really sure what's gonna be going on tonight. I may do my nails tonight, but that may be in a video tomorrow. So I'm not sure, but I did call my husband and I showed him what I did with the lights, and he's going to see if he could figure out. So like, I was looking on the Amazon, the product page on Amazon, and it says that you can cut them you just have to reconnect them. And I'm like, do I need to order those separately? Like, I don't know. It doesn't make sense to need something else that it didn't come with. So I'm sort of confused, but I'm gonna let him try to figure it out. In the meantime, one side works, so that's great. But all right, I gotta charge my battery and my camera, and then I'm gonna eat my food, and I'll check in later.
She was like, helping him. Yeah, they killed that guy.
Good news, guys. We got it to work. My husband came home and helped me. Pretty cute. Ooh.
Cool how quick you could charge it.
Yeah. And it comes with the option to do this all on my phone, so that's super convenient. Hey vlog, what's up? Hope you guys are doing okay. So I'm just checking in. It is about Friday afternoon, 4:30. Took a half day at work, and pretty much when I got off, because my husband had a half day, so I wanted just to kind of be available for us to spend some time together and kind of enjoy a little bit of a longer weekend and get a head start to our weekend. I was just relaxed. We actually took a nap and we had some lunch. I'm actually getting ready right now to go get a couple groceries. What is a vlog without some groceries? Well, I'm just running up to Publix. We need a few grocery items for the weekend, for like some breakfast stuff. I think the thing we run out of the most is milk because we drink it every day. Okay friends, we're back from Publix. I'm gonna do a quick haul. Some bagels. This is the cinnamon raisin Killer Dave's Killer. Got some bread as well. This is a good seed. Turkey bacon, turkey sausage, onion, tomato, cream cheese for the bagels. Got stuff for some protein pancakes, blueberries, strawberries for the pancakes. Some more sweetened condensed milk for my coffee, grits, and a pack of small shells for sofa. All of this costs $70. Waiting for the lights to come on. A little Friday night tennis session. Let's play a little tennis. It's Friday night at 8:30. We usually play for like anywhere between 30 minutes to an hour, just depending on how we feel, how tired we get. The weather plays a part in that also. If it's like really, really hot or really, really humid, I probably can only last for like 45 minutes. So we'll see. It doesn't feel too hot out yet, but once we get moving, you know how that goes. How you feeling, babe?
Feeling good. Got a good nap in earlier. Yeah, excited to play. Nice little night workout.
Yep.
Should be good.
finished. Do I need to even say anything? You can tell them my face. Hey friends, so we are going to run a couple errands. We're gonna go to the outlet mall just to check out a couple stores, and then also there's this outdoor flea market happening today, so we're gonna go see what they have as well. We aren't really looking for anything in particular. We're just actually trying to get out of the house a little bit, so that's the plan. We'll take you guys along, see if we find anything. Made it to the little street flea market. So they just have like a bunch of tents set up, lots of thrift, vintage type items.
You guys gonna have any stuff too? Yeah, I'm actually to get this.
If you want.
Bro, I had 50 on it, but I can knock it down if you're fucking with it. It's a large too, so I can definitely. Yeah, it's like you might.
This cool Madonna shirt in red. Where?
Alright friends, so we are out here at the City Walk, which is basically like this spot in downtown that has like playground, parks, skate parks, things like that. And we're just out here. What'd you get?
Wild berry taffy and wild berry lavender. Watermelon taffy and wild berry.
Thank you. Okay, so you got watermelon taffy and wild berry lavender.
Yes.
I got wild berry lavender and bramble. I don't remember what it was called.
Like, can I get one or can I get two shoes? Like, you can get two if you want.
I ain't hear none of that.
What are you doing?
Oh, put it back in the middle there.
Okay, let's enjoy our ice
What
cream.
happened?
Husband's trying to get a pic for the gram. You know. And we chose to sit outside. That's really the only option, but it's pretty nice out here. It's not too hot. There's some ceiling fan. Hi friends. Okay, so it's Sunday. It's been a pretty cool few days. We've spent a lot of time with his brother who's been visiting us. Yesterday we finally watched Gray Man. You guys have seen us or heard us talk about it the last few vlogs, and we finally checked it out. I thought it was great. He slept through just about all of it.
I was honestly just really tired, but for what I saw, I thought it was really good. A lot of action. Yeah, overall it was just really good. It was cool because in the previews, I only saw like a few seconds of it, and I was already sold. So watching it felt new. But yeah, I thought it was a good movie for what I saw.
Yeah, definitely agree. Very action-packed. It was really cool to see Chris Evans play the villain because after becoming a Marvel girl, I really like Chris Evans. And I thought he killed the role. And then Ryan Gosling also killed the role. It was just great. Definitely recommend on Netflix. So it's Sunday now. We're just kind of getting our day going. We are starting a new vlog today. Be sure to look out for that coming soon. Hope you guys enjoyed spending these last couple days with us. If so, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below if you've been enjoying my content lately. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you real soon.